Niue's oldest person who traveled from New Zealand on Friday to celebrate her 101st birthday. Mrs. Niue, who travels to Niue every year, was on good form last Sunday as she celebrated her milestone with friends and families. She told everyone at the gathering that she was very happy to see many people at the event and look forward to many more years to come. Some of the party goers, including the leader of the country, Honourable Tokitalangi, celebrated with plenty of encouragement and cheers for the eldest person. Mrs. Toe celebrated her 100th birthday last year with her family in New Zealand and the media. This year, she chose to celebrate with friends and family in Niue and the media. Our very best wishes to Mrs. Toe and congratulations.